गण्डकी प्रोभिन्समा सोधेको विविध हैन 4th लेभल ओपन कम्प्युटर रिटर्न एक्जामिनेसन फर द पोस्ट अफ एसिस्टेन्ट कम्प्युटर अपरेटर 2017 11/16 मा सोधेको क्वेसन सुरुमा छ A personal information manager and email communication software in MS Office 2065 is option A Outlook, option B OneNote, option C OneDrive, option D Microsoft Word. Outlook, OneNote, OneDrive, Microsoft Word. Okay. Email communication software चाहिँ option A Outlook. Answer चाहिँ option A Outlook. A software that can be freely accessed and modified. Package software freely modify गर्न मिल्ने चाहिँ package software, middleware, collection software, open source software. हामी चाहिँ freely modify गर्न मिल्ने open source software. Question number 3. Which of these is not a major type of cloud computing usage? Hardware and service, platform as a service, software as a service, infrastructure as a service. Right answer हो hardware as a software. Hardware as a software is the right answer. Formula in Excel start with Excel मा फर्मुला लाउँदा सुरुमा के थिचेर कुन केबाट सुरु हुन्छ फर्मुलामा चाहिँ जहिले पनि सुरुमा इक्वल हुन्छ अप्सन छ स्ल्याश b मा इक्वल्स टु c मा star d मा has. Right answer is option B equals to. Macros must be saved with extension of Microsoft Excel is option A XLS, option B XLSM, option C VBA, option D XLSX. Right answer हो XLSM Macros. Macros सेभ गर्न चाहिँ याम थिच्ने XLS.XLS यास मात्र चाहिँ माइक्रोसफ्ट अफिस 2003 मा अनि XX नर्मल आउटबुक चाहिँ XLSX हुन्छ अनि माइक्रो साइज चाहिँ XLSM. The default data format used in spreadsheet is option A YYDDMM, option B DDMMYY, option C MMDDYY, option C MMDDYY, option D DDMMYY. हामी चाहिँ डिफल्टमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ याम याम डिडी नै भयो पहिला मन्थ त्यसपछि डे त्यसपछि इयर Question number 7. An Excel workbook is a collection of option A workbook, option B chart, option B worksheet, option C charts, option D B and C and worksheet and charts. Right option is option D B and C. वर्कबुक र सरी वर्कशीट्स र वर्क चार्ट्स चाहिँ हाम्रो कलेक्सन अफ वर्कबुक which question number 8 which is the portion of a document in which you set a certain page formatting option. Option A page, option B section, option C section, option B document, option C section, option D page setup, and right answer is option C selection. That is section. Option C section. To specify margin in Word, the user has to select page setup option from menu. Page setup option चाहिँ कुन मेनुबाट यसरी पेज मार्जिन चाहिँ कुन मेनुबाट निकाल्छ MS Wordमा right answer is file menu. फाइल मेनु बाट चाहिँ हामीले स्पेसिफाई मार्जिन चाहिँ हामीले निकाल्न सकिन्छ तर लेआउटमा चाहिँ यसमा छैन लेआउटमा त्यसपछि हामी चाहिँ फाइल मेनुबाट चाहिँ हामीले गर्न सकिन्छ okay question number 10 which can be used for quick access to command use command and tools which can be used for quick access to command use command and tools okay toolbar option are status bar option B toolbar option C menu bar and option D title bar and right answer is option B toolbar what is the direction of rectangular page views and printing called option A orientation option B direction option C page layout option D preview and right answer is option A orientation question number 12 the function of OS is option A memory management option C option B process management option A memory management option B process management option C input output device management option D all of the above operating system को function चाहिँ सबै all of the above memory management पनि गर्छ process management पनि गर्छ डिभाइस म्यानेजमेन्ट पनि गर्छ। All of the above. Question number 13. Which is the false statement? तलको मध्ये चाहिँ गलत स्टेटमेन्ट कुन हो? You can find delete files in recycle bin. It is correct. You can restore any files in recycle bin if you ever need. It is correct. You can increase free space of disks by sending files in recycle bin. It is incorrect. False statement. Option C is false statement. Any set of digits or alphabet are generally referred as option A character, option B symbol, option C bit, option D bytes. Right answer is option A character. Question number 15. Which of the following connects existing network to from an internet? Option A repeater, option B bridge, option C router, and option D switch. And right answer is option C router. The process of transferring files from a computer on the internet to your computer is called option A uploading, option B forwarding, option C downloading, option D FTP file transfer protocol. And right answer is option D FTP. The first network was called option A CNet, option B NSFnet, option C ASAPnet, option D ARPANET. And the right answer is option D ARPANET. Question number 18. The structure of format of data is called option A syntax, option B semantics, option C structure, and option D formatting. The right answer is option A syntax. 1 millisecond is option A 1 second, option B 10th second, option D 1000 second, option D 10,000ths of a second, and the right answer is option C 1000 second. In a computer spreadsheet, a correct row address मात्र भनेको छ option A BB, option C 3B, option D B3, option C B3, option D 3333. हाम्रो चाहिँ जहिले पनि नम्बर मात्र हुन्छ तर राइट आन्सर इज option D 33. Question number 21. In a cell range that starts in a cell A1 and goes to J15 is written as in a formula. फर्मुलामा A1 देखि J15 सम्म लेख्नलाई चाहिँ इज टु लगाउँछ. राइट अप्सन आर अप्सन A A1 dash J15, option B A1 semicolon J15, option C A1 is to J15, option D A1 to J15, and the right answer is option C A1 is to J15. Which function in Excel tells how many numbers enters are there? Option A NUM, option B count, option C check number, and the right answer is option B count. Question number 23. Which was the first electronic spreadsheet? Electronic spreadsheet. Sudo electronic spreadsheet. Option A slide rule, option B software, option C Quantum Pro, option D visible calculator, and the right answer is option D visible calculator. In order to email a Word document from a MS Word, option A office button send to in email reception, option B save the file as email attachment, option C start Outlook and attach the file while open in Word, option D that this is an impossible operation. माइक्रोसफ्ट वर्डबाट इमेल पठाउनको लागि कुन अप्सन युज हुन्छ, and the right answer is option A office button send to an mail receipt. Question number 15. We can remove or hide border of a shape by selecting option A no line, option B no outline, option C white line, option D border, and the right answer is option B no outline. Question number 25. We can remove question number 26. We can insert a page number 8. Option A header, option B footer, option C both A and B, option D none of the above, and the right answer is option C both A and B. Question number 27. Control plus right arrow is used to option A move the cursor end, option B move the cursor end of line, option A move the cursor onward right, option B move the cursor end of the line, option C move the cursor end of the document, and option D move the cursor one paragraph down, and the right answer is option A move the cursor on rightward. Question number 28. Which combination of keys allows use to perform a warm boot? And options are option A Control Escape, Option B, Control Alt Delete. Option C, Control Shift Delete. Option D, Control Shift Enter. And the right answer is Control B. Sorry, option B, Control plus Alt plus Delete. Question number 29. BIOS is used by option A, application software. Option B, compiler. Option C, interpreter. Option D, operating system. And the right answer is option D, operating system. Question number 30. A spelling checker is also called option A, electronic encyclopedia. Option B, electronic thesaurus. Option C, electronic assistant. Option D, electronic dictionary. And the right answer is option D, electronic dictionary. Question number 31. In a computer spreadsheet, a programmed formula is basically a option A, function. Option B, tax. Option C, query. Option D, record. And the right answer is option A, function. Any request for a data from a database is known as option A, formula. Option B, result. Option C, query. Option D, record. And the right answer is option C, query. Question number 33. In the data file, the first record of any block is called. In the data file, the first record of any block is called option A, answer record. Option B, dense record. Option C, non-dense record. And the right answer is option A, answer record. Question number 34. Question number 34. Who is the father of cloud computing? Who is the father of cloud computing? Option A, Sharon B. Codd. Option B, Edgar Codd. Option C, JCR Linkleader. Option D, Charles Bachman. And the right answer is option C, JCR Linkleader. Question number 35. G site was formerly known as option A, Google Suite. Option B, Google Time for Teaching. Option C, Google Apps Education. Option D, none of the above. And the right answer is option D, none of the above. Which of the following SaaS platform is with an exposed API? The options are Salesforce.com. Option B, Amazon.com. Option C, Flickr.com. Option D, all of the above. And the right answer is option A, Salesforce.com. Question number 37. Question number 37. Which PowerPoint view displays each slide of the presentation as thumbnail and is used for rearranging slides? The options are: option A, Slide Master; option B, Slideshow; option C, Slide Sorter; option D, Notes Page. And the right answer is option C, Slide Sorter. Question number 38. Are special visual and sound effect contained in presentation graphics file? The options are: option A, animation; option B, simulation; option C, graphics; option D, attraction; and option D, attraction. And the right answer is animation. Option A, animation. Question number 39. A file manipulation command that extracts some of the records from a file is known as. Option A, from a file is option A, select; option B, project; option C, join; option D, product. And the right answer is option A, select. Question number 40. In a computer spreadsheet, formula that equates to 6 is. यो तलको मध्ये फर्मुलाबाट 6 आन्सर आउने. Equals to 6 is option A, 9 minus 2 into 3 plus 4 divided by 2. Option B, 1 plus 2 into 3 minus 8 divided by 2. Option C, 8 minus 2 into 3 plus 8 divided by 2. Option D, 2 into 3 minus 7 divided by 2. And the right answer is option C, 8 minus 2 into 3 plus 8 divided by 2. Question number 41. Question number 41. A word automatically moves the text to the next line when it reaches the right edge to the screen and is called. Option A, carriage return; option B, enter; option C, word warp; option C, word warp; option D, none of the above. And the right answer is option C, word warp. Question number 42. The item which appears dimly behind the main body text is. Option A, watercolor; option B, background; option C, watermark; option D, color. Okay, the right answer is option C, watermark. The right answer is option C, watermark. Question number 43. Storage capacity of magnetic disks depends on. Option A, tracks per inch of surface; Option B, bits per inch of track. Option C, discs packed in the disc surface. Option D, all of the above. And the right answer is option D, all of the above. LAN stand for option A, local area network. Option B, local access network. Option C, local end network. Option D, all of the above. And the right answer is option A, local area network. Which command enables you to move between directories? Option A, cd. Option B, check D drive, CS drive, dir, move. Option B, C, move. Option D, move dir. Dictionary. Okay. The right answer is option A, CD. Which of the following commands should you always use before submitting a document to others? Option A, find command. Option B, replace command. Option C, spelling and grammar. Option D, thesaurus. And the right answer is option C, spelling and grammar. Question number 47. Which of the following disk is fixed disk? Option A, hard disk. Option B, flash disk. Option C, Blu-ray disk. Option D, DVDs. And the right answer is option A, hard disk. Question number 48. Malware is the short form of malicious software and used to refer to option A, spyware. Option B, worm. Option C, virus. Option D, all of the above. And the right answer is option D, all of the above. The generation based on VLSI microprocessor is option A, first generation. Option B, second generation. Option C, third generation. Option D, fourth generation. And the right answer is option D, fourth generation. Question number 50. Which type of computer used to 8-bit code called EBCDIC? The options are option A, mini computer. Option B, microcomputer. Option C, mainframe computer. Option D, supercomputer. And the right answer is option C, mainframe computer. The end. A personal information manager and email communication software in a Microsoft Office 2065 is Outlook. A software that can be freely accessed and modified is open source software. Which of Which of these is not a major type of cloud computing usage? Is option A. Hardware and services is not a major cloud computing usage. Question number 4. Formulas in Excel start with equals to. Macros must be saved with extension of Microsoft Excel is .xlsm. The default data format used in spreadsheet is mmddyy. And an Excel workbook is collection of uh, worksheets and charts. Question number 8. Which is the uh, portion of document part of document in which you set a certain page formatting options? Options is section. To specify margin in a word, the user has to select a page setup option from file menu, which can be used for the quick access to command use command and tools. Option B, toolbar. What is the direction of rectangular page? What is the direction of rectangular page for viewing and printing called orientation? The function of OS is memory management, process management, and IS device management, all of the above. Which is the false statement? False statement is you can increase free space of disk by sending files into recycle bin is a false statement. Any set of digit or alphabet are generally referred as a character. Which of the following connects existing network to from a internet is router? The process of transferring files from computer on the internet to your computer is called FTP, file transfer protocol. The first network was ARPANET. The structure of format of data is called syntax. 1 millisecond is thousands of second. In a computer spreadsheet, a correct row address is 33. A cell range that starts in A1 and goes to J15 is written as in a formula is A1 is to J15. Which function in Excel tells how many numbers entries are there? Count function is count function is the Excel tells how many numbers in entire are there. Visible calculator or the first electronic spreadsheet. In order to email a Word document from a Word is office button send to an mail receipt. We can remove or hide border of a cell by selecting no outline. We can insert a page number at header and footer. Control plus right arrow is used to move the cursor onward right. Which combination of keys allows you to perform a warm boot? Control Alt plus Delete. BIOS is used by operating system. A spelling checker is also called a electronic dictionary. In a computer spreadsheet, a programmed formula is basically a function. Any request for a data from a database is known as query. In the data file, the first record of any of the block is called answer record. Which is the father of cloud computing? JCR link leader. G site was formerly known as the above. Google Sheet पनि हैन, Google Time for teaching पनि हैन, Google Apps for education पनि हैन, G site भनेको. अनि which of the following SaaS platform is with a export API? Option A, Salesforce.com. Slide sorter. PowerPoint view display is slide of presentation as a thumbnail and is used for rearranging slides. Animation are special visual and sound effect contained in its presentation graphics file. A file manipulation command that extracts some of the record from a file is select. A computer spreadsheet formula that equals to 6 is 8 minus 2 into 3 plus 8 divided by 2. Microsoft automatically moves the text to the next line, which reaches the right edge to the screen and is called word warp. The item which appears dimly behind the main body text is watermark. Storage capacity of a magnetic disk depends on tracks per inch of the surface, bit per inch of the track, bits packed in the disk surface, all of the above. LAN stands for local area network. Which command? CD command enables you to move between directories. Which of the following? Spelling and grammar command should always use before submitting a document to others. Hard disk is the fixed disk. Malware is the short form of malicious software and used to refer to spyware, worm, virus, and all of the above. The generation based on VLSI microprocessor is 4th generation. Which type of computer uses 8-bit code called EBCDIC? Mainframe computers. Mainframe computers use 8-bit code called EBCDIC.